So when you start creating label, also you can check what exactly we're covering here, and it's very easy. So you ship the product and you fill up the information. Let's say we send phone here. Now I'm gonna take information of the phone, and you can scale it. You see here you can connect the scale, and it's very simple. Now we're gonna fill up all the information the way, so it should be protected before you ship it. The more it's protected, the easier it will be to fight a chargeback if something happened to the product, any scam or something. When it happens, you have proof. You see, you can scan invoice, you can add as much information, and that's it. QR code. Now we do return. You see, you get QR code. You can print it. Now that's how it looks, the passport. Now you see, you click on the return, on the recent, and then return. Very easy. We scan the same phone, and it's Galaxy S21. So we put all the information. The weight is not gonna match now. You see the weight, let's say the box is empty, put something else in the box. Let's see what happens. We create the label, click for create a QR code, and look, you see this evidence of mismatch here. So you can send it to the bank, PayPal, and other company that you use for payment. You see, so it shows mismatch, and all the information you have